Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to uninstall Discord, as in the Discord application, from your Windows 10 PC or laptop. And if you find this helpful today, please leave a like, drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, the best and quickest way is if we actually come down to the search box down here. And what we're going to do is just type add or remove programs. And then we're going to go ahead and click the app at the top here. So once it's loads through, there's actually two ways to do this from here. So what you can do is click the scroll bar on the right hand side. And if you scroll down the list, you'll see Discord there, just here. Or what you can do to make it faster is if you click the search box here and just literally type Discord, and that's going to come up there. So once this has happened, what you need to do is actually click on the Discord app and then hit this button which says uninstall. And it's just going to come up with a confirmation saying this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Go ahead and click that uninstall button. Now, when the permission comes up, you just need to click yes. And what's going to happen after a minute or two, that's going to disappear from the list. So you'll see if I scroll down, it's no longer shown in the list, and I can type that into the search. You'll see it's not coming up. And that's how you do it. That's how you uninstall Discord from your computer or laptop. So I hope you found that helpful. And if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutors channel, there's a link in the video description down below. If you go ahead and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.